Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We have prepared a solution named the Secret Santa to bring a control over the spread of COVID 19. We have observed a problem that as medical, grocery, and daily essential stores are not shut down during the lockdown period, people are getting an excuse to unnecessarily set their feet outside their houses, thereby disrespecting the lockdown. So here is the solution, the Secret Santa. Step 1. Shut down all the stores which have a permission to remain open during the lockdown period to avoid public gatherings. Step 2. Divide the society in two classes, that is, class with smartphones and class without smartphones. We can assume that white and orange ration card holders is the class with smartphones and yellow ration card holders is the class without smartphones. This type of classification is just for simplification purpose. For the class with smartphones. Step 3. Mandate these families to use an integrated software to get their daily essentials delivered at the doorstep. Through this software, people will be able to order only a predefined set of daily essentials as recognized by the government to ensure proper functioning. Step 4. Allot a fixed number of volunteers for delivery purpose as per the size of the zone or the region. These volunteers can be procured through the ones registered on the MyGov portal as volunteers or any of the government servants or from any NGO. Step 5. Set up early morning deliveries to avoid people-to-people contact. This will ensure that there is no contact between the delivery men and the families, as a majority of the population is fast asleep in the early morning between 4 am to 6 am. Now, for the class without smartphones. Step 6. Mandate a periodic delivery system to deliver a fixed set of daily essentials to these families depending upon the size of the family. Both the classes have to take a common precaution that they have to disinfect the deliveries before accepting them, and the volunteers also have to disinfect it before the delivery. Also, the volunteers have to pick up the goods for delivery from the local stores in the respected areas. Step 7. Congratulations! The spread of COVID-19 is brought under control. Here are some advantages of the Secret Santa. Crowds at the stores are avoided due to complete shutdown and doorstep service. Cashless transaction eliminates the chances of spread of COVID-19 via currency notes and coins. Early morning deliveries avoid the contact between the consumers and the delivery personnel. People working on daily wages may get a job opportunity as delivery personnel during the lockdown period. Conclusion. Lockdown is a golden rule to control the spread of COVID-19. So, the Secret Santa will keep the population locked down in their houses and ultimately, the spread of COVID-19 will be under control. Thank you, and we hope the Secret Santa will bring a great change. Jai Hind.